Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, tires, rear all-terrain, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-terrain, satellite radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.